Welcome to our human-computer interaction final project, Wings 2.0, a redesign of Georgia Southern University's student portal. Our team includes Alejandro Giron, Kai Fang, and myself, Philip Mejia.
Students at Georgia Southern often struggle with the current Wings portal. Information is hidden behind layers of menus, visual organization is inconsistent, and even simple tasks like checking your schedule or paying a bill takes longer than necessary. We knew there had to be a better way, so we designed Wings 2.0, a clearer, more intuitive, and user-centered version of the portal.
We begin with need finding. We interviewed 2 full-time college students and 3 non-traditional users, including one 40-year-old and 2 people around retirement age. Across all groups, we observed the same issues: difficulty navigating menus, hidden information, and a layout that often overwhelmed users. These insights shaped our design goals.
From our research, four major problems stood out. Nested menus that bury important tasks, no personalization, visual inconsistencies, and a steep learning curve for older or new students. Wings 2.0 directly addresses these issues with clean visual tiles, a personalized homepage, instant access to essential tasks, better accessibility, and simpler navigation.
Next, we created a paper prototype to test how users would interact with the redesigned interface. We will walk through several core features, starting with the homepage. Here are the paper prototypes we created during the early design phase. We built hand-drawn screens for the homepage, the class schedule view, the tuition payment page, and the notifications section. These prototypes allowed us to quickly test layout ideas and make sure users could find critical information without confusion. Feedback from these tests directly shaped the structure of our digital version.
After the paper prototype testing, we translated that feedback into a functional, high-fidelity prototype. This is the working homepage in our final build. The design keeps the same clear tile layout from the paper prototype, but adds material UI styling, proper spacing, and interactive elements. Everything loads cleanly, and each tile leads directly to its feature, making navigation simple and fast.
Here's the custom tiles mode. When a user clicks custom tiles, the interface switches into an editing layout where tiles gain a drag and drop handle and removable icons, similar to how rearranging apps work on a smartphone. Users can reorder tiles, remove ones they don't use, and add new tiles from the available tiles list. This gives students full control over their dashboard and supports personalization, something the original Wings portal does not offer.
This is the register for classes page in the working prototype. We implemented a real functional system using mock course data. Students can search for classes, view seat availability, click add to register. When a class is added, the button updates to confirm registration, giving immediate feedback. This workflow fixes one of the biggest frustrations students have reported during need finding: difficulty locating and enrolling in classes.
Here are the main technical components behind our prototype. The full system is built with React and Material UI. Each tile on the homepage is fully functional. We built a mock class database for searching and adding courses. Tile rearranging uses drag and drop interactions. State-based feedback shows actions like registered. And the interface is responsive for the demo environment. Together, these create a smooth, modern experience for students.
In conclusion, Wings 2.0 improves efficiency, learnability, accessibility, user confidence, and the overall student experience. By grouping our design, by grounding our design in research and student feedback, we created a cleaner, simpler, and far more intuitive version of the portal. Thank you for watching.